All right, everybody, I have 10 items on table number 1. The first item that I want to show you, before I do that, I want to say a word about our new website. You can go to kbidtv.com and you can go to tonight's auction table and you can view all 10 tables on the internet. You can preview what's going to be up on the 10 tables tonight. So I just wanted to make that announcement. Again, that website is kbidtv.com. Go ahead and click on the classified ad section, the video classified icon. And then you select tonight's date and you'll see the 10 tables. All right, what you'll see on table number 1 is going to be this bamboo paper towel holder. This paper towel holder is not made out of wood, it's made out of bamboo, retail price $10. I've got a storage organizer here for you. This item retails for $25, and you've got 1, 2, 3 compartments there. It's got little holes in it, so these can be stacked or put side by side. It's part of a closet organizing system, and the retail price is $25. Okay, I've got I guess I could call this as is, although I think I fixed it just fine. This is a very large anchor hocking baking dish, and it's 9 by 13. That's the size of it. Now I'm going to tell you what happened. When this item was shipped, it slid around in the box and the edges got chipped. And I took a grinder and I smoothed off, I sanded down all the edges. You might notice I'm going to sit it down. Does it have a little dip right there? But I smoothed it off. It's still a perfectly good baking dish. It's the real big one, 9 by 13, and the retail price on those are about $10. This one has been repaired. It's a Pyrex baking dish by Anchor Hocking. Call and give me a bid. Tell me what you think it's worth. I've got a pair of barbecue tools for you. I've got a stainless fork and a stainless spatula. They have wooden handles. The handle on the fork has been glued and clamped. A retail price on this item is $10. I have some silverware or some flatware for you, and this is got metal utensils with black plastic handles. You're going to get 4 spoons, 4 forks, and 4 knives. Hey, I've got some cast iron for you. This is an 8-inch cast iron skillet. It's got the griddle marks on here, so it'll make the food look good as well as taste delicious. One of the best things about a cast iron pot is that they're so heavy, so dense, that they absorb a lot of heat. So when you add the food when you get the pan the right temperature and add the food, the pan doesn't get cold and cause your food, to absorb. That's what causes soggy fried items or items that are not crispy, is the temperature of the pan drops. You want that temperature up there and seal those juices in. Cast iron is one of the best materials for pots that do that. It's got a $13 retail price. I've got a utensil divider for you. This is $6 retail price, and it's white. Hey, I got a pair of teapots. These are going to be as-is items. I've got one teapot with the whistling spout, but no top. And I've got another teapot in a chrome finish with a top, but no whistling spout. Call and give me a bid. You're going to get both teapots. They normally sell for about $15 a piece. And that is the 10 items on table number 1. I missed the items down here. Okay, the next item I have for you is a complete 6-piece set of 13-ounce tumblers. These are the heavy glass tumblers. This retailed for $10, and we've got a complete set. I've sold these before where one was broken. There's not a chip on those 6. Call and give me a bid. I have some measuring utensils for you, a 10-cup and 8-cup bowl. I have a 1-cup scoop, a 2/3, a 1/2, and a 1/4. And I've even got some measuring spoons here. And I've got a teaspoon, a 1/2 teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon. Call and give me a bid on that. Now that's the 10 items on table number 1.